storyteller. Acha nianze kwa kutoa shukrani kwako.
Hello everyone, welcome to 254 Rent, where we're everything about houses and helping you find your dream home. My name is Miss Rotich Kurgat and I'll be taking you through this beautiful home today. Now, as you may have probably noticed from this video's longer than usual length, today we have a special house tour just for you. This property is a 3-bedroom rental house in Ongata Rongai that is gated in its own compound. And we start from outside the house, where you're greeted by this big front yard for your parking space and also a good space for holding your events. Over at the back of the house, we have towered water tanks for optimal water pressure to ensure there's an ample supply of water throughout the whole house. Welcome to the living room. Just look at the size of it. Quite spacious, right? Right outside is the veranda, which leads to the parking area, and the house also comes with a doorbell right at the front door. The kitchen is also quite spacious, with enough cabinets both at the top and at the bottom to complement this cooking space. Right outside is the kitchen balcony that overlooks the backyard area where the tank is located. The hallway leads to the bedrooms and is complemented with closet space, which you can use to store extra beddings or personal items for the guests or just anyone. The house is complemented with 2 common washrooms, which are both fitted with the toilet and also a shower. Right outside the washrooms is a hand washing sink that is filled with a mirror right in front of it.
Little prayer every day is to stay alive, but just in case I die today, let me just live my life and drink, 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 and drink, drink, drink. Taga chillin' and my friends are good, teaching all my drinks. A partner pressing got it good vibes.
The master bedroom is very spacious with really good lighting and is located on the most private side of the house. It has wooden wardrobes that are enough for you and your partner's items. The master bedroom is en suite and contains a really spacious washroom. The second bedroom is the same exact size as the master bedroom, but this one is not en suite. The third bedroom is a bit smaller than the other 2 bedrooms, and this room is fitted with cabinets spacious enough for your items. And we've reached the end of the house tour. Share with us what you think about the house in the comment section below. It's relatively available, with it being rented out at 35,000 Kenyan shillings per month. As usual, if you're interested in this house, click the link provided in the description box. It will lead you to the house on the 254 Rent House website, and there you'll find all the details on how you can rent this particular house. Kindly note that there's only one unit, as it is a single house, so book as early as possible. It has been a pleasure taking you through this house tour. I've been your host, Miss Rotich Kurgat. You can follow me on my IG at Rotich Kurgat, and I'll see you in the next house tour.
But you can't take the planning.